Alright, hey guys, we just arrived to the pond. And we're gonna hop right to it. This is perfect frog conditions, so we ought to catch a lot of bass. Cole caught a monster yesterday, so hope to catch a little bit bigger one, but you know, Cole and them are over there videoing too. Cole, the idiot Cole is, he freaking left his GoPro on while it was raining, and it's at one bar now, so he didn't bring it. Alright, here we go guys, first cast. Oh man, Cole had one on, freaking came off. Cole's luck. Okay, mine is not casting right, I don't have no clue why. Popping the frog. Oh, Cole had one on again. Come off again. He is still going for that frog over there. Probably can't hear Cole, but he is on a monster bass right now, but it is not going for it for some reason. Man, my pole is messed up for some reason. Alright, I'll get back to y'all guys as soon as we catch a fish, okay? Frog is eating your bait up, or that bass is eating your frog up. This frog is not working. My frog is just not working right now. Alright guys, I have one on. I don't know if it's big, but got one on, so. Oh gosh dang, this thing is putting up a fight. I don't know. Oh, it looks about a 3-pounder. Yeah. Oh no, it's not even that. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, look at that, guys. I bet it's the same one you caught yesterday.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Yeah. Oh man, he's a monster.
Nice bass.
Hit with the freaking frog.
I wonder if he's got a buddy over here.
Hope he does. Oh man, look at that fish right there, guys. It's a monster. Let's get a weight on him. Gosh dang it. Jesus Louise. That thing is flopping. Oh, okay, where's my freaking scale? Oh, not in there. Okay. Turn it on here. All right. 2.8 pounds. It's a nice fish. All right, let's get the release on this bad boy. Or, gosh dang it. Fish here are floppy, Cole. Alright, let's get the release on this bad boy.
Alright guys, I'm going to be changing bait, so I'm going to change to a brush hog right now. So I'll go back to you when I change.
Well, crap. Go, you stupid fish. There he goes. Yeah.
Do you mind if I use
Alright guys, I don't care. Alright guys, so just let him go. I'll get back to you, go. Alright guys, Cole just caught a monster.
Look on the screen, are they getting the...
Yep, getting it. Alright,
There's
he
a
just caught a
fish.
monster. Let's get a quick weight on him.
Put down to there. I bet he's about 1.25.
Dang! Whoa! Oh, he's still on. He's still on.
Hang on.
Hold it, yeah.
Don't want that to injure his gills.
Alright. We do that. Here it is.
2.5.
2.5. 2.5 pounder, guys. Pretty nice fish. Nice job, Cole.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get the release on him.
Can't really get it.
Just throw him.
Do it John B style.
Yeah, John B style. Here we go.
Shout out to John B.
Bam! Alright, guys, I'll get back with you as soon as we get another fish.